Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. In this video we are going to learn a new topic of mental maths, but before that please like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload new videos for you. Now let's get started. So children, in this we are going to do Mental Maths 13, that is on page number 15, and it's related to addition. In this you can see 5124 plus 423. It's a 4-digit number and it's a 3-digit number. 5124 is 4 ones, 2 tens, 1 hundreds, 5 thousands. 3 ones, 2 tens, 4 hundreds. Now let's add ones first. Like you can see, 4 is at ones place in this and 3 is at ones place in this number. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Then 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Then 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Then there is nothing at thousands place, so we will write this digit as it is. So in this, answer is 5547. Now kids, second is 1210, 5036. In this, 0 ones, 1 tens, 2 hundreds, 1 thousands. 6 ones, 3 tens, 0 hundreds, 5 thousands. Now again we will add ones first. 0 plus 6 is equal to, very good, 0 plus 6 is 6. As you have already learnt about this is one of the property of addition. Whenever you add 0 to any number, you get the same number. So 0 plus 6 is 6. Then come to tens. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Next, 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Again you will get the same digit. Then 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So in this 6246. When you will add these two, you will get 6246. Now look at one more example, and in this we are going to do addition with carrying. These two are the examples of addition without carrying. In this, 5 ones, 7 tens, 4 hundreds, 3 thousands. 8 ones, 8 tens, 3 hundreds, 2 thousands. Now we are going to add from ones place. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. But in 13, if we see, let's see, in 13, 3 ones and 1 tens. So we will write 3 here and 1 will go in tens. Then come to tens place. 7 plus 8 equals to 15. Now 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. Now you will write 6 here and 1 will go to hundreds place. Now 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Now come to thousands place. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So in this, answer is 5863. Now when you will add these two numbers, 3475 plus 2388, you will get 5863. Now kids, in this, 71 more than 3229 is, again you have to do addition in this. More than is telling us that we have to add these two numbers. The thing is, we must know the places of the digits. 1 ones, 7 tens, in this 9 ones, 2 tens, 2 hundreds, 3 thousands. So we will start adding from ones place. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. So we will write here 0 and 1 will move to tens place. Now 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 9 plus 1 again 10. Again we will write 0 here and 1 will move to hundreds place. Now there is nothing at hundreds and thousands place. So we will add these two numbers. 2 plus 1, 3, and here we will write the digit as it is. So answer is 3300. When we will add these two numbers, we will get 3300. Now kids, in this, what can we add to this number to get 8383? Aren't these two numbers same? Yes, these two numbers are same. So we will write 0 here. As this is one of the properties of addition, that whenever we add 0 to a number, we get the same number. Now next question is, 1 more than 99 is? More than is again telling us that we have to add 1 to this number. What comes after 99? 100. Very good. So if you will add 1 to this number, you will get 100. Now kids, in this question you can see there are two numbers, but there is only one number, and here we have to fill a number 6794. These two numbers are same, and again there is a number 1039. If we will add these two numbers, that should be equal to these two. So what can we write here? Yes, we can write 1039. Now if you will add these two numbers, that will be equal to these two numbers, because these two sides are equal. My dear children, I hope you have understood this topic well. Now your homework is to do page number 15, that is Mental Maths 13 in your book, and once you complete this page, do refer to the PDF to check your answers. Now don't forget to mention your name, class and section in the comment box. That's all for today. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.